And good morning. It's September 1st, 2022. And this is a quick update on the Dana 35. And those of you that have been following my channel, I know it's only a few, but you may be interested because I haven't made any videos here lately. First, I got slowed down because I came across these damaged surface areas in the housing of the differential, and I had to get that cleared up. So I did a little grinding and sanding, and the surface seemed to clean up pretty good. So I was ready to drive on. Have my shims all laid out and labeled, but my inexperience stopped me cold. And while moving the inner race to make an adjustment to the shims, well, you can see the damage that I caused to them. I'm chalking this up to learning, and hopefully I won't do it again. If it does happen, I may have to go back to using the original shim and washer that came off the pinion from the factory. I have a new shim kit coming, so I will try it again. And if I'm successful, fine. If not, I'll have to go to the original. And who knows, if y'all stick with me long enough, one day we might get this old Jeep back out on the road permanently. Hopefully I can get there. If nothing else, I've sure learned a lot. And also how to spend money. And I haven't been standing by doing nothing. I pulled my driver's door panel off. Been putting that off for some time, and because I have a electrical issue there. I think it has to do with the wiring and the door harness. And if my parts come in on time, I should be back to work on it this weekend. You know, getting back to the shims and back to the pinion. If I get by that, I still got a lot coming up with the, the preload, the backlash, pinion depth setting, a lot that I lack the experience in. You may get some laughs out of it. Anyway, when I make any progress here, hopefully this coming weekend and next week, I will post a new video. Out for now.